Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to Rave app. In today's video, the Rave app is a platform that allows you to watch movies, TV shows, videos with friends in real time, no matter where they are. It supports services like Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus, Prime Video, HBO Max, and even personal content from Google Drive or Google Photo. So how to use it? Just download it if you're using iPhone, Apple Store, and if you're using Android, Google Play Store. Download it and just follow the instructions. Just keep going and choose which movie that you want, and you need to log in your device. If you want to know how to watch together in, they call this, in Rave, just search in YouTube, how to watch Netflix together in Rave by Guide Glimpse. There you go. So after that, there you go. And you can watch personal videos. To watch your own videos, just upload the video to a Google Drive or Google Photo. Sign into your Google account through Rave. Select the upload video to play. There you go. And a small tips for you guys. So both you and your friends need active subscription to service like Netflix or Disney Plus to watch content together. But if you're using YouTube, it's free, so you won't have to have an active subscription. But if you're using Netflix or Disney Plus, your partner or the person that you're streaming with needs to have the same subscription as you do. There you go. And another tip for you guys, Rev is available for on iOS, Androids, Windows, Mac, and even VR platform. And my last tip for you guys, you can join public rooms to meet new people and watch content together. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.